Hello everyone. Today we will be demonstrating you how we raise conversions and revenue for our clients with our tailored pay-per-click services.
Before starting off, we would like to introduce you to Assert IT Solutions, an award-winning digital marketing agency that focuses on achieving growth-oriented, tangible results for businesses.
We have a team of digital marketers and developers who excel at their job to give your sales a sure shot.
Let's fractionate our approach for our latest PPC projects.
Before starting, let's throw some light on what PPC is and how it doubles the revenue.
Pay-per-click ads are a marketing technique that require marketing breakthroughs to get highly targeted traffic to the website.
And the results are lightning. Ads are purposely placed and thoroughly vetted for maximum results.
Some common challenges that people face with PPC ads are
Keyword research and selection,
writing effective copies,
budget issues,
audience targeting,
GEO targeting,
A/B testing. Now we'll walk you through some clients and how we help them overcome these challenges through our PPC campaign management to achieve anticipated results.
One of our clients from the education industry is IPM Group of Institutions, a higher education institute in Delhi NCR.
The client's vision was to
Drive website traffic,
build awareness,
generate high quality leads,
achieve business KPIs,
and maximize ROI. We harness the mentioned PPC strategy to achieve the maximum output.
precise audience targeting,
Automated and manual bidding on handpicked keywords,
use site links, location, and call extension,
improve landing page quality,
create customized and appealing copies. After thorough contemplation, we launched a test campaign and tracked the success. We made revisions thereafter to achieve desired results.
we use potential keywords like LLB colleges, IPM Law Academy, law schools in Delhi, BCom admissions 2022, BCA admission, and optimized our ads for the top position on SERP results.
We strategize different ad campaigns to attain maximum genuine leads and conversions.
Apparently, our industry-specific strategy turned out to be a boom and resulted into
69% more search queries every day,
77% boost in CTR,
39% lower CPC.
and 52% higher conversion rate.
One of our clients, the 𝓜𝓸𝓻𝓮 is running an e-commerce store to sell products online.
The vision of the Daily Nut company was to boost its sales through online advertising. They proposed a compelling proposition expecting more leads and conversions to compete against their competitors and build their business.
To cater this, we brainstormed the best strategies,
Perform market research,
define audience and geo-targeting,
branding ads for retargeting,
shopping ads through Merchant Center,
bidding and budget optimization. We ran Performance Max campaign to build brand awareness and audience retargeting. And in a span of 15 days, we achieved more sales and clicks phone call.
To continue the growth pattern, we planned shopping ads through the Merchant Center for more sales and ROI.
Our efforts were well appreciated by the client and resulted into
59% quality traffic to the website,
56% high return on ad spend,
5 times boost in CTR.
and 42% more customer retention.
These were just a few clients who collaborated with Assert IT Solutions to meet their online business prospects.
Do you want to reach the right people for PPC ads?
Reach out to us at Assert IT Solutions for instant and business-oriented PPC results.